Layer styles are a cool way to add flair to boring looking text. So how does it work? We're going to go through each and every one of these layer styles very briefly to illustrate how we can apply them. So I'm going to use this effect, drop shadow on Mr. Drozd, and I'm going to change this font from 30 to 72. And I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to press check. To add a drop shadow, you're going to go to Layer, Layer Style, and then top one, Drop Shadow. And this window is going to open up, and we're always going to want to move the window so we can see the text in the Photoshop screen. And we can change the distance of this shadow. We can change the spread. And you're going to want to experiment with this as well, and you're going to change the size. Alternatively, with the drop shadow, you can click on the text outside of the layer style window, and if you're happy with it right there, press check. So let's continue adding layer styles to our text. So I'm going to try a new font. I'm going to try using Outer Glow. So again, we're going to go to Layer, Layer Style, and this time we'll try Outer Glow. And this is really important. We're going to want to make the blending mode from screen to normal. And we're going to do that over and over. And we're going to change the color of the glow from this white or almost a white yellow to, we'll make it a nice red. And we can change the spread. And we can change the size. Now, you may have difficulty with this one, because you're going to say, Mr. Drozd, I'm writing but nothing's coming up. Actually, it's going to be black on black. So it looks like it's not there, but actually it really is. So again, I'm going to go to Layer, Layer Style, Outer Glow. And there we go. I'm just going to leave it on that. That looks pretty cool. Inner Glow works just the same way. How does the gradient overlay work? So I'm going to write my name, and please experiment with the different fonts. I'm going to go to Layer, Layer Style, and then I'll jump down to Gradient Overlay. And this is the first overlay, this sort of white that transitions to black, but we're going to switch it up a little bit. We can try this yellow to blue. This looks pretty cool, and I'm going to press OK. And finally, stroke. This is the text effect that I suspect you'll use most often. So here we've got it with a black font, but what I can do is go to Layer, Layer Style, and Stroke is at the bottom. The default is always red. I typically knock down the pixel size from a 3 to a 2, and of course you can change the color from red to green. For example, I'm going to press check. And I want you guys to have a lot of fun with this exercise. It's pretty cool. You're going to see that layer styles are a nice way to add some cool effects to your work.